Hey, what's up? Been trying to remove the crank angle sensor on my VXll Commodore, but the engine won't turn over. So to loosen the center bolt on the harmonic balancer, what I've had to do is, well, first of all, take the radiator fans out, 14mm bolts, one each corner. Pop the power steering reservoir off. There's a couple of bolts each side on the mount of that I had to take off to clear these hoses. Undo this connector here to the radiator fans, and then 15mm socket on the serpentine belt tensioner, anti-clockwise. Might be better to use a breaker bar too for more leverage. Then I've taken a pry bar, stuck it on a piece of wood. It's kind of jammed in against the roll bar there. Taken an old bolt and shoved it in one of the holes there. It's not actually screwed in, but it did the job. 24mm socket on the crankshaft bolt, and for that I just used a dirty old Peugeot spark plug tool as a breaker bar for extra leverage, and that did the job. Cheers.